Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie Yates here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So as you can see, I've got a whiteboard here, quite different to how I usually shoot my videos, but it's all for a good reason, because in this video, what I'm going to be doing is giving you my honest review of EPS, the Email Processing System. Let's get to it. So EPS, what is it? Now, in this video, I want to be quite clear and specific in terms of what EPS is and what EPS isn't. Now, since I've been with EPS, I have seen nothing but success. I mean, I've been very fortunate and blessed that I've been able to spend more time with my family, my friends, and I've been able to work around a schedule which is totally flexible and totally on my terms. Like I said, it is a business opportunity, and you know, I was on holiday just last week in Mexico, Cancun, and I was still able to generate an income, and I wasn't even at home, okay? I was really just there by poolside on my mobile phone, and I was basically able to see money still coming into my account, which is absolutely nuts, if you want to be honest with you. I mean, you know, this is the first business that I've been involved in where it's been possible to do that. Now, EPS has got a reputation of being both a great earner, but it's also got the reputation of being a scam. Now, why is it being labelled a scam? Well, it's quite simple. Okay, any online opportunity that's available can sometimes be misinterpreted or it can be miscommunicated. And I think with regards to EPS specifically, EPS has been branded and communicated to people in different ways. And it's really about managing a person's expectations. Now, people say, I tend to believe that with EPS, all you need to do is basically process emails and answer inquiries and you're making money. That's not what this business is about. It's a business. You know, they're also saying that EPS doesn't have a product. Of course there's a product. The product is digital marketing, okay? You are basically you're basically part of a business which is giving you digital marketing training, okay? It's enabling you to market your services, your business more effectively using social media. That is what EPS is all about. Now, how does it work? Now, effectively, the way that it works is that with EPS, you've got your website, okay? And on this website, you have your digital marketing products, okay? Digital marketing products. That's what EPS gives you, okay? They give you digital marketing products that enable you to market effectively online by using various different social media platforms, okay? So this is the website and these are the products, DMP, digital marketing products. Now your aim when you become part of the business, your whole aim is to basically post ads. Okay, so you post pre-written ads. Okay, now the whole point of posting pre-written ads, the whole purpose of that is to drive traffic to the website. Okay, and like I said, what you'll be doing is that you'll be posting pre-written ads. Okay, so the ads will be provided for you, and all you need to do is post it on social media. Okay, that's all you need to do is just post it on various different social media platforms. So that can be things like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. Okay, so once you're posting ads on these various different social media platforms, what that's doing is that that's generating traffic, okay, to the website. It's directing your referrals, salespeople, whatever you want to call it, to this website. Okay, once they get onto this website, they will be offered some digital marketing products. Once they purchase those products, the payment goes directly to you. It goes directly into your PayPal account. Okay? Now what's beautiful about this actual business, this whole model, is that you get 100% direct sale. Okay? So what does that mean? Once they purchase the product, you're getting that commission straight into your account. Okay? So if they're purchasing a product for $100, that's going straight into your account. It's 100% paid into your account, all right? And that's basically how it works, all right? You know, it's getting labelled, you know, EPS is getting labelled that it's a scam because there isn't a product attached to it. Of course there's a product, okay? You're marketing digital marketing products. That is what you're promoting, okay? And a lot of people probably think, well, digital marketing products, what are they? They don't even exist. That's a whole scam. Well, they're not scams, because if you go onto Amazon and you purchase books on how to make money, or courses on how to make money, like Teachable or any other course platforms out there, those are digital marketing products, and that's exactly what this is. Okay, very similar to that. Okay, you're purchasing the knowledge to be able to market a business using social media. All right, so there is a product. So already you can see that EPS is a genuine business. It's just basically how it's been communicated and how it's been interpreted by others. So that is basically how the model works. Now, when you join EPS, okay, you want to be getting in on the $100 level. Okay, you want to be getting in on that level. Okay, because at that level, what that will basically enable you to do, or enable you to earn, is 3 different streams of commission. Okay, and that's what's beautiful about it. So you basically can earn $25. You can also earn $50. Whoops. Oops, my board's getting a bit. Let me just sort that out. Or you can earn $100. Okay, so you're earning potentially 3 different commission streams. Okay, and this is all paid directly into your PayPal account. All right, so that's what's beautiful about it. Okay, so you can be seeing potentially coming into your account $25 here, $50 there, $100 there, and this all happens daily. Okay, and when you go through the training and you go through the coaching, which is exactly what you're paying for here, that's what your investment is paying for, you will learn how to do this all effectively, and it all runs automatically. It's a totally autopilot. Okay, that again is what's beautiful about it, and that's how it becomes passive. Okay, so that's when you put all the time and effort to begin with, and this is the reason why you're giving all the coaching, the mentoring, the training, putting the time and effort at the beginning, and then once you do that, it will start to automate itself, and then you can slowly start sitting back and just watch the money come into your account. Okay, I know that whole process just sounds like a scam. Even when I say it, I think that's just too good to be true, but it is happening. Okay, people are earning thousands weekly, daily, because they're implementing this system, and it does work. All right, so that's basically what this model is. Okay, again, you judge for yourself. Can this be a scam? All right, you judge for yourself. Like I said, anyone that joins the team, and you can find my team on www.olieace.ml. If you come and join me on my team, you will basically receive all the support, guidance, training, the coaching, so that you're basically replicating exactly what I'm doing. So if you replicate the process and the steps, and you go through the training, then you're going to be replicating the success and the earnings that I'm also obtaining. All right, I mean, you cannot help but achieve those results if you're following the training and replicating exactly what others are doing already. Okay, EPS has been around since 2010. All right, and if it was a scam, this business wouldn't be standing, and people wouldn't be joining every single day. And again, I am a true advocate, and you can see that I'm very passionate about this business, but it's only because I've been searching, and for people that know me and that have been subscribed to my channel will know that I've been searching for that genuine business opportunity which will enable me to generate an income online by the use of a laptop, my smartphone, and to generate an income which is totally passive, and this is 100% that. Okay, so again, if you are interested in being involved and really taking control and being involved in a business which really does give you passive income, and you can earn 3 different 100% direct sales streams, $25, $50, $100, paid directly into your PayPal account, then come and visit my website, like I said, www.olieace.ml, and get yourself set up, and you could potentially be earning a healthy wage. I'm not going to even call it a wage, a healthy daily income. All you need to do is just put in the time and effort to begin with and take action. Anyway guys, I really do hope that you got a lot of insight from this video, and I hope that I've been able to put lay some rumours to bed, if you like, and really set it clear that EPS is not a scam. It is a genuine business, but you do need to put in the time and effort to begin with. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you are following the training and you're doing it correctly, you can be very, very successful. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you also hit that subscribe button. And if you want to keep up to date with all the videos and all the content that I'm putting up, because I'm going to be putting a lot of content, particularly with regards to EPS, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that little notifications icon, so every time I do upload a video, you will be notified when that happens. Alright guys, I'm going to cut it short there. I hope you again loved the video, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Take care, stay blessed, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.